V770 and the 570, plus the 770 and the 870. So in addition to this, you pick up the wireless capability, wireless twin cam. That's what this seems to indicate to me. But the twin cam feature in that model is one way of doing twin cam. The other way of doing twin cam is on the step-up model, the 770, we have the ability to basically pull out, essentially have the equivalent of a twin camera, but now done with our smart device. So this camera does not have the twin cam built in, but it has the ability to use a smart device to be your second camera. And it works with Wi-Fi within our Wi-Fi app that we've had last year. So this gives you flexibility of placement of your second camera.
What are the features of the?
So some other benefits that you get with this model is that you get an improved, very much improved sensor and processor in this model. It has 5.5 axis image stabilization, so you never really have to deal with vibrations and things like that. We've added another feature called HDR Movie. HDR Movie allows you to do what you do in a still camera, basically give you an underexposed and an overexposed and just right exposure, and combine them on the fly. And when you're recording a video, you now can benefit from HDR photography, but in your video. So scenes where you normally would have to light with your assistant, your LED assistant light, you can actually do with the camera. So you can shoot in a dark scene, and you'll be able to see what the HDR effect. We have a demonstration on the other side, and very useful. Which, as far as I know, no one else is doing that. Lit it off. See the clouds? We couldn't quite get the dark thing done here, because of too much lighting. So we didn't doing the bright exposure. So the clouds are overly exposed, right? As soon as you hit the HDR on button, you'll see that all of a sudden you see the definition of the clouds. I think the examples and footage that I saw from the live cam do a better job of explaining it than what I see. Il faut en profiter en vol. How you making out?